So let us take problem based on one and onto function. First example is show that the signum function f r to r given by, we are familiar with signum function, f of x equal to 1 if x greater than 0, its value is 0 if x equal to 0, and its value is minus 1 if x less than 0. So that this signum function is neither 1 nor onto. Is neither 1 nor onto. So from the definition it is clear that easily we can prove that it is not 1 many 1. Reason is if x greater than 0 value is 1. So if we take 1, 2, 3, f of 1 1, because 1 greater than 0, f of 2 1, f of 3 1, so many related with 1, so it is many 1, easily we can prove. So here f is many 1. To prove many 1, we give counter example. We will give two distance elements for which images are same. So here f is many 1. Since 1 not equal to 2, so elements are distance, but f of 1 is 1. By definition, if x is greater than 0, value is 1. F of 2 is also 1. Thus 1 and 2 many related with 1. 1 not equal to 2, but f of 1 equal to f of 2, and therefore f is many 1. Also, range of the function is only 1, 0 and minus 1. So range is the set minus 1, 0 and 1. So range of f is set minus 1, 0 and 1 not equal to codomain R. So range not equal to codomain, therefore f is not onto. F is not onto. So signum function is many 1 function and also not onto function. Second example, let A set A equal to 1, 2, 3, set B 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let function is given as set of order pair 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 be a function. Show that f is 1 so that f is 1 1. So distance element if distance element have distance image, then we can say that f is 1 1. So that f is 1 1. So function is given as set of order pair. So we know how to read this function. So f of 1 equal to 4. Say here f of 1 equal to 4. F of 2 is 5. F of 2 equal to 5. And f of 3 equal to 6. So you can observe distance element of A distance elements of A have distance images. And therefore f is 1 1. So if right hand side elements are repeated, then many 1, but if right hand side elements are not repeated, then it is always 1 1. And here we can also check whether it is onto or not, because you see, if we find range of this function, range of f, set of second element 4 5 6, 4 5 6, but in domain there is a 7 which is not codomain. Sorry, in a domain there is a 7, so range not equal to B, codomain. So this function is 1 1, but not onto function. For our understanding, only we have to discuss it is 1 1 or not, but it is 1 1 but not onto, since range not equal to codomain. Next example. In each of the following cases, state whether the function is 1 1 onto or bijective. Bijective means both 1 1 and onto. Justify answer. Question is, in each of the following cases state whether the functions is 1 1 onto or bijective. Justify the answer. First question is f R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Solution. Note that any linear function from R to R, linear means of the form ax plus b. Any linear function f R to R, linear means of the form ax plus b, is always bijective. So you remember this one as a formula. Linear function from R to R is bijective. Quadratic function from R to R, it is many one and not onto. Linear is always bijective. So let us prove f is 1 1. To prove f is 1 1, we will prove whenever f of x1 equal to f of x2. To prove 1 1, whenever f of x1 equal to f of x2, we will show that x1 equal to x2. Then we can say that f is 1 1. And for onto for each y belongs to R codomain, there exists x belongs to R domain such that f of x equal to y. So if we are able to prove this thing, then f will be onto. So to prove 1 1, we will show this thing. To prove onto, we will prove this one. For each y belongs to R, each elements of the codomain, there exists x belongs to our domain such that f of x equal to y. So first let us prove f is 1 1. F is 1 1 since whenever f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies 3 minus 4x1 equal to 3 minus 4x2 according to the definition of the function. So whenever f of x1 equal to f of x2, you have to show that x1 equal to x2. So cancelling 3 both sides. So this is minus 4x1 equal to minus 4x2. Dividing throughout by minus 4, we get x1 equal to x2. Thus f is 1 1. Now to show that it is onto function, how to find x corresponding to y? So for that one, put f of x equal to y, get expression for x, and for that x prove that f of x equal to y. So this is the method to show that f is onto. For each y belongs to codomain, there must exist x belongs to domain. So to find such x, put f of x equal to y, get expression for x, for that x show that f of x equal to y. So here for each y belongs to R codomain, there exists x equal to which x, put f of x equal to y, f of x equal to y. So 3 minus 4x equal to y, 3 minus 4x equal to y. So 3 minus y equal to 4x, get expression for x. So x equal to 3 minus y by 4. So for this x, there will be always f of x equal to y. So here for each y belongs to R codomain, there exists x equal to 3 minus y by 4 belongs to R domain such that f of x equal to y, since let us prove f of x equal to y. F of x, for y we have taken x equal to 3 minus y by 4. Now note the definition of f of x. F of x equal to 3 minus 4x. So 3 minus 4 into this x, as a x we have 3 minus y by 4. So let us simplify, 4 4 cancel. So this is 3 minus y, and further simplification is y. Thus f of x equal to y. So for each y belongs to codomain, there exists x equal to 3 minus y by 4 belongs to R domain such that f of x equal to y, and therefore f is onto function. So f is onto function. So any linear function from R to R is always 1 1, and any quadratic means ax square plus bx plus c from R to R is always many 1 and not onto. We take quadratic function. Second example, f R to R f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Solution. So to prove many one, we will give counter example. We will find two distance elements for which images is same. So easily you can get for 1 plus x square. If you take x equal to plus minus 1, x square will be same. X square will be 1. So 1 plus x square will be same. So if you take x equal to plus minus 1, or if you take x equal to plus minus 2, if you take x equal to plus minus 3, etc., by nature of this function images will be same. So as a counter example, you take 1 and minus 1, two distance elements, but images will be same. Similarly, you can take plus minus 2, plus minus 3, etc. Let us show that here 1 not equal to minus 1, elements are distance, but f of 1 plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, so 2, and f of minus 1 plus minus 1 square, again it is 1 plus 1, so that is 2. Thus elements are distance, 1 not equal to minus 1, but f of 1 equal to f of minus 1, and therefore f is many 1. Now easily you can show that range not equal to codomain, because f of x equal to 1 plus x square. So x square is always greater than or equal to 0. So 1 plus x square is always greater than or equal to 1, and therefore f of x is always, by definition, f of x equal to 1 plus x square. So f of x is always greater than or equal to 1. So range of f, it will be close, open, 1 to plus infinity, not equal to codomain R. Range not equal to codomain. So there is no negative number in the range. So if you take y equal to any negative number, you can't get x belongs to R domain such that f of x equal to that negative number, because range is from close interval 1 to plus infinity, open interval. So range not equal to codomain, so f is not onto, and therefore f is not onto. We take another example. Example 4. Let A and B be set. Show that f from A cross B to B cross A defined by such that f of A comma B equal to reverse order b comma a is bijective function. Is bijective function. So bijective means it is 1 1 and on 2. So we have to show that this function is both 1 1 as well as on 2. So let us prove this function is bijective function. So here domain is A cross B, codomain is B cross A. Elements of A cross B or B cross A, it will be of the order pair. So easily you can show that from the domain when we take two distance element A1 comma B1 and A2 comma B2, normally we take f of x1 equal to f of x2, but here domain is A cross B, so elements of A cross B will be of order pair. So let A1 comma B1, A2 comma B2 belongs to A cross B with f of A1 B1 equal to f of A2 B2. Normally we take f of x equal to f of x1 equal to f of x2 and we show that x1 equal to x2, but since here domain is A cross B, cross product of two non-empty set, so elements will be of the order pair. So we have taken two distance order pair A1 comma B1, A2 comma B2, and we have taken f of A1 comma B1 equal to f of A2 comma B2. We will show that order pair are same. We will show that A1 B1 equal to A2 B2, then we can say that f is 1 1. Now by definition, this is B1 comma A1 equal to B2 comma A2. You check the definition of f of A comma B, it is B comma A. Reverse the order. So here f of A1 comma B1 equal to B1 comma A1 and f of A2 comma B2 equal to B2 comma A2. Two order pair are equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. So B1 equal to B2 and A1 equal to A2. So thus A1 comma B1, but A1 equal to A2, B1 equal to B2, A1 comma B1 equal to A2 comma B2, and therefore f is 1 1. Now we will show that f is onto. Onto, you take any elements from the codomain. Again recall the definition of onto function. For each y belongs to B codomain there exists x belongs to A such that f of x equal to y. In codomain if you take 2 comma 3, in codomain if you take 2 comma 3 as a y, then you reverse the order, take x equal to 3 comma 2. So f of x equal to y. Here domain and codomain both are A cross B and B cross A respectively. So as a elements we have to take as a y and x, we have to take order pair. You note this thing. Normally we can't write y equal to 2 comma 3, but since domain A cross B, codomain B cross A, so elements will be of the form order pair. So let us show that f is onto. Here f is onto function since for each we take A comma B belongs to B cross A. B cross A is the codomain. There exists A comma B From the definition you can get idea that you reverse the order, because by definition f of a comma b equal to b comma a. So for b comma a you reverse the order a comma b and find the image. It will be your y. So for each a comma b belongs to b cross a, there exists a comma b belongs to a cross b such that f of a comma b, for each a comma b belongs to b cross a, there exists b comma a belongs to a cross b such that, so f of b comma a, by definition you have to reverse the order a comma b, and therefore f is onto function. So here you can remember like this. So for each y belongs to b codomain, there exists x belongs to domain. But here x and y, as we have discussed, are elements of the form order pair, because domain is a cross b, codomain is b cross a. Thus f is onto function. Next example. Example 5. Let f from n to n defined by f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, and its value is n by 2 if n is even, for all n belongs to n. Whether f is onto 1 1 or bijective, whether the function f is onto 1 1 or bijective, that is both 1 1 and onto. Justify your answer. So for such type of example, only find out images. If for distance elements images are distance, then it will be 1 1. And once you find images, you can get range. From range you can get idea whether the function is onto or not. If range equal to codomain, then it will be onto. So let us discuss solution. So in such type of example, find out at least 4 to 6 images of distance elements, so easily you can get idea. Now check the definition. If your n is odd, use this definition, and if n is even, use this definition. So let us see it one by one. F of 1 is odd, so 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1. Here we give reason, 1 is odd. So we have used first part of the definition. If n is odd, use n plus 1 by 2. Now f of 2 is even, so 2 by 2, that is 1. So easily you can get idea. 1 not equal to 2, elements are distant but images are same. Thus 1 not equal to 2, but f of 1 equal to f of 2, and therefore f is many one. Again, when we find further images, f of 3 3 is odd, so 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2, f of 4, 4 is even, 4 by 2, 2. So range contains 1, 2, 3, etc. Let us find further images. F of 5, 5 is odd, 5 plus 1 by 2 by definition, this is 3. F of 6, 6 is even, so 6 by 2, that is 3, and so on. So when we prepare the range and so on, therefore range of f equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 2, 3 and so on. That will be codomain n. Note that f is function from n to n. So here you can observe range equal to codomain. So thus range equal to codomain, and therefore f is onto function. So f is many one and onto function. Thus as an answer, f is many one and onto function. So in such type of examples, if you are not sure about the definition, it is better you find out at least 8 to 10 images of distance elements. So if right hand side images are repeated, then many one. Here you can observe f of 1 is 1, f of 2 is 1. So it is many ones. Similarly, from distance images you can write range, and range equal to your codomain. So since range equal to codomain, therefore f is onto function.